Today we are going to discuss how a beginner can photograph a wedding. Before you shoot a wedding, you need to look at the photos, videos, articles, and etc. related to it and get acquainted with it. You have to be mentally fit and your whole focus is on the wedding and you never have to stress. You have to memorize the list from the first photo you take to the last photo. You should photography every place from the brides, jewelry, dresses, and etc. You should not miss anything. Use only 4 or 5 photos when making thank you card. Don't use more and more photos. Edit the thank you card yourself and send it to print. Don't give it to another person or studio. Edit by yourself. It will be easier for you if you have pre-designed templates for the thank you card. Get an idea of the location before you take photos. It helps you get ideas. Take photos in a way that is more comfortable for the groom and the bride. Never tire of them. Always use a telephoto lens and a wide lens. Always make sure everything is ready before departure. By following these steps, you will be able to get your work done in the most comfortable way. Okay guys, please subscribe to us and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much.